Are you tired of dealing with dull, lifeless hair that just doesn't seem to grow? Imagine waking up with long, strong, and healthy hair that feels like silk and shines in the sunlight. But what if I told you could achieve that right from your kitchen? Yes, with ingredients you probably already have at home. While many people spend tons of money on expensive products, the real secret to hair growth and strength might just be sitting in your pantry or fridge. These simple, DIY hair masks have been used for centuries to nourish hair, stimulate growth, and repair damage. And the best part? They're all natural. No chemicals, no artificial ingredients. Just pure goodness for your hair. But here's the twist. Not all ingredients work the same for everyone. And there's one powerful ingredient in particular that I'll reveal at the end, which could transform your hair routine entirely. So make sure you stick around till the very end, because your hair's future might just depend on it. Before we get into the magic of these hair masks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the hair and skincare secrets here at Envilush. Now, are you ready to unlock the power of these DIY hair masks? Let's dive right in. Why DIY hair masks are a game changer. Before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about why these DIY hair masks are so powerful. Your hair faces a lot every day. Heat, pollution, stress, even the wrong products can weaken it. Over time, this damage causes breakage, slows down growth, and makes hair look dull. But when you use natural, nutrient-packed ingredients, you're giving your hair the building blocks it needs to repair and grow stronger. These DIY masks are packed with vitamins, minerals, and proteins that your hair craves, and they work from the inside out. Alright, let's start with our first DIY mask, which is perfect for boosting hair growth. Section 2. DIY hair mask recipes. Avocado and coconut oil mask for deep nourishment and growth. First up is one of my all-time favorites, the avocado and coconut oil hair mask. Avocados are loaded with vitamins like B and E, which strengthen hair and promote growth, while coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft to deeply hydrate and reduce protein loss. To make this mask, mash half an avocado until smooth, then add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix it well and apply from roots to tips. Leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. After using this mask just once, your hair will feel softer, shinier, and more nourished. But with regular use, you'll start to see faster growth and stronger strands. Egg yolk and olive oil mask for strength and shine. Next, we have a classic, the egg yolk and olive oil mask. Egg yolks are full of protein, which helps repair damage and strengthen hair. Olive oil adds moisture and helps reduce split ends. To make this mask, whisk 2 egg yolks and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can also add a tablespoon of honey for extra shine. Apply it to your hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Now, this mask is a true protein powerhouse, but here's a tip. Don't wash it out with hot water, or you might end up with scrambled eggs in your hair. Use cool water and a gentle shampoo. Trust me, your hair will feel so much stronger after using this mask. Banana and honey mask for hair growth and hydration. Now let's move on to one that's not only effective but smells amazing, the banana and honey mask. Bananas are packed with potassium, which strengthens hair and helps prevent breakage, while honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture. Take 1 ripe banana, mash it until smooth, and add 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix it up and apply to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse well. This mask is perfect for those of you looking for a boost in both growth and hydration. And the best part? Your hair will smell like a tropical paradise. Aloe vera and castor oil mask for intense growth and scalp health. This next mask is all about intense growth and scalp health. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and promotes healthy hair follicles, while castor oil is known for its ability to boost hair growth and strengthen roots. Mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Apply this to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. Massage it in gently for a few minutes, then leave it on for 30-40 minutes before washing it out. Castor oil is thick and might take a little extra effort to wash out, but the results are worth it. Stronger, thicker, and healthier hair. Section 3. The secret ingredient revealed. Now, remember earlier when I mentioned a secret ingredient that could change your hair routine completely? Well, here it is, fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is a hidden gem in the world of hair care. It's packed with protein, iron, and other nutrients that stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. And the best part? It's easy to use. All you need to do is soak a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds overnight, then blend them into a paste the next day. Mix this paste with any of the hair masks I just mentioned, or use it on its own. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse. You'll be amazed at how much stronger and healthier your hair feels after just a few uses. So there you have it, 4 powerful DIY hair masks that can help you grow stronger, healthier hair right from your kitchen. From avocado to egg yolk, banana to aloe vera, and don't forget the secret power of fenugreek. You now have everything you need to nourish your hair naturally. Give these masks a try, and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Envilush and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video filled with hair and skincare tips that will keep you glowing. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep your hair healthy and happy. Bye, beauties.